When we come to work, our primary goal is to accomplish tasks, contribute to our organization's success, and develop our professional skills. Workplaces are designed for productivity, collaboration on projects, and achieving business objectives. This professional environment requires a certain level of focus and dedication that can sometimes be hindered by personal relationships. While it's natural to form connections with colleagues due to the amount of time spent together, it's important to remember that these relationships are fundamentally professional. Colleagues are not friends in the traditional sense because the primary basis of your interaction is work-related. Mixing personal and professional lives can lead to complications such as conflicts of interest, favoritism, and misunderstandings. Here are a few reasons why keeping colleagues at a professional distance can be beneficial. Maintain professionalism. Clear boundaries help maintain a professional atmosphere, ensuring that work-related decisions are based on merit and not personal relationships. Avoid conflicts. Personal relationships at work can lead to conflicts, especially if disagreements arise. By keeping things professional, it's easier to address issues objectively. Protect privacy. Sharing personal details with colleagues can sometimes backfire, leading to gossip or misuse of that information. Keeping your private life separate protects your privacy. Focus on work. When personal matters intermingle with work, it can distract from your professional responsibilities. Keeping relationships professional helps maintain focus and productivity. Balanced life. Separating work from personal life helps maintain a healthy work-life balance, reducing stress and preventing burnout. In conclusion, while it's important to foster good working relationships and a collaborative environment, it's equally crucial to keep personal lives private. This approach ensures a healthy, productive, and professional workplace for everyone. Here's a list of 10 things you can do to protect yourself from potential harm caused by colleagues at work. Set boundaries. Keep personal and professional boundaries clear. Avoid sharing too much personal information. Document everything. Keep records of important communications and meetings. This can help if any disputes arise. Stay professional. Always maintain a professional demeanor. Avoid gossip and negative talk about colleagues. Be clear and concise. Communicate clearly to avoid misunderstandings. Make sure your instructions and expectations are understood. Know your rights. Familiarize yourself with your company's policies and your rights as an employee. Build a support network. Connect with trustworthy colleagues who can support you if issues arise. Stay focused on your work. Keep your focus on your tasks and goals. High performance can protect you from unnecessary conflicts. Seek feedback. Regularly ask for feedback from supervisors to ensure you're on the right track and to build a positive reputation. Stay calm under pressure. If conflicts arise, stay calm and composed. Responding emotionally can escalate situations. Report issues early. If you encounter harassment or unethical behavior, report it to HR or the appropriate authority as soon as possible. Remember, while colleagues may not be friends, maintaining a professional relationship is key to a healthy work environment.